To convert ERC20 to TRC20 in Trust Wallet, you need to understand the basics of both tokens and the wallet itself. ERC20 and TRC20 are token standards for Ethereum and Tron blockchains respectively. Trust Wallet is a mobile wallet that supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including ERC20 and TRC20 tokens. First, ensure you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed on your device. Open the app and navigate to the Wallet section where you can view your ERC20 tokens. Identify the token you want to convert and note its balance. Next, you will need to use a cross-chain bridge or a decentralized exchange that supports both ERC20 and TRC20 tokens. Some popular options include JustSwap and TronSwap. These platforms allow you to swap your ERC20 tokens for TRC20 tokens. Choose a reputable cross-chain bridge or decentralized exchange and connect your Trust Wallet to the platform. This is usually done by scanning a QR code or entering your wallet address. Make sure to use the correct network, either Ethereum for ERC20 or Tron for TRC20. Once connected, select the ERC20 token you want to convert and the equivalent TRC20 token you want to receive. Enter the amount you want to convert and confirm the transaction. Be aware of any transaction fees and slippage rates. After confirming the transaction, wait for the conversion to be processed. This may take a few minutes, depending on the blockchain congestion and the platform you are using. Once the conversion is complete, you can view your new TRC20 token balance in your Trust Wallet. It is essential to note that converting ERC20 to TRC20 may involve risks, such as price volatility and transaction fees. Always research the platform you are using and understand the fees involved before making a conversion. Additionally, ensure you have a stable internet connection and follow best practices for secure wallet management. By following these steps, you can successfully convert your ERC20 tokens to TRC20 tokens using Trust Wallet and a cross-chain bridge or decentralized exchange. Remember to stay informed about the latest developments in cryptocurrency and always prioritize the security of your wallet and assets.